boy Syvon.
It's your girl, Child Money.
Back on the video, as you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be doing.
Okay, so this video we're doing is called Wax or Fact. So basically, we have 5 questions that we're going to ask each other. And if we get it right, then we're in the green light. If we get it wrong, we have to wax some part of the body. So if I ask him a question, he gets it wrong, I have to wax some part of his body. If I get it wrong, he waxes me. Okay, so anyway guys, we're gonna get straight into this video. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a video. And like Syvon said, give us some video ideas that we can do that no one has done, or that you haven't seen or we haven't seen. So yeah,
And make sure you guys comment, man. I'm tired. Like, I appreciate everybody that's be DM me and say, hey, this video is this and that. Guys, please just comment, man. Just comment, bro. Just comment, bro.
Comment.
Like,
they look at
the
that
more
type
you
of
comment,
stuff.
the more YouTube put the videos out, man.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ow!
That's 2, right?
Yeah.
So that's it, right?
Yeah.
Ask the question first, right?
Yeah.
What is my favorite Jamaican food? Wait. Before you answer it, I'm gonna give you the two best favorite that I love the most. So 10 seconds. One of my favorite Jamaican food. For 10 seconds, start right now.
Rice and peas, curry goat, curry chicken, brown stew chicken. No, tell me if I'm right. Am I right? No.
You got rice and peas, right?
Rice and peas. The bun and cheese. Curry goat, nigga, curry beef, curry something. Babe, no, for real. What was it?
It was rice and peas and fried chicken and ackee and sausage.
Bro, no, you said
know
food.
that. Two that, yeah,
But
two.
fried chicken is American food too. Oh my
How
god.
this thing work though?
He don't even know how it goes. Oh my
Shit,
god.
don't tell me. If I do some dumb shit to you, then shit.
I'm scared, like I'm literally sweating.
Hold on. So how do I do this thing then?
You gotta take some and dip the thingy in there. Make sure it's all stirred up and nice and stuff. And then you gotta put some on the stick, but like swirl it around. Don't put all that on my arm. I'm not playing with you. I'll mess you up.
So what I doing now? What I doing now?
Javon. Stop!
Yo, what I do?
Cause let me show you. Then you don't put all this on nobody.
Why?
Because.
Because what? You can't tell me for though. So I'll put it on your skin first, right?
So first you have to put it. No! What is you doing? I'm not putting.
What do you do? What do you do?
Don't put that shit on me.
What do you do first?
Where you gonna wax?
You right there, your thighs, nigga.
My thigh.
Yeah. Move. Can you guys see that? Oh, so man, I ain't got time to keep waiting for you, man. You think too long.
Okay, you messing it up. Okay, that's enough. Damn it.
You know. This ain't right. You guys see that? This ain't right, man.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh, babe. You gotta press. Ooh.
Hey. Remember, I'm gonna put some more power.
No.
Yeah, man. Can you see?
Oh, it feel good though. All right, my question is, how many siblings do I have?
Man, you got 10,000, man. What you mean? What kind of question is that?
No, I don't either.
Man, what kind of question is that? That's unfair, bro.
No, but I told you.
You ain't tell me the exact number. Wait, on what side?
Huh?
On what side of the family?
Both.
Both? Man, hell, they got like 50 million siblings, bro.
No, I don't.
Oh, hold on.
1,
So those do include you right now?
3.
2 on your mom, and you got about 7 on your dad. And that ain't it?
6, 7.
Dang, you got 10, bro. 10.
8.
10. Man, that's unfair, bro.
10. No, it's not bad. I told you before.
Okay, that's the answer.
It's 8.
I said.
You said 10.
I said 7 too.
Yeah.
I know, but I know you. I was close, bro. I know I was close. I know it was more than 5.
I'm gonna do right here.
Why you gonna do the same percent to me?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do right here.
No, come on.
This got less hair.
You should know all these questions on this list.
You should know.
Damn, how many things you gonna spin around the
Babe,
damn
I
thing?
gotta. Okay, fine. Come on.
Oh shit. Ooh. Okay, come on, go. Oh wow.
Wow.
Yo, you put way more than one players in it?
No, I didn't. Alright.
Hey, tell me when you gonna do it, bro.
Did you tell me?
Huh? What do you mean? Oh! Oh! I have to lay down. I have to lay down. Okay.
Can y'all see this?
Yeah, lay down.
No, boo!
Lay down, bro.
It's laid down.
Lay down.
Okay, ready?
No, I ain't ready.
Come on, babe.
Y'all didn't know?
Yeah.
Y'all didn't know?
Yeah.
Go.
Babe. Come on, babe.
Go.
What? All right, the longer you let it sit on there.
Oh, for real? Shit, rip
Yeah.
it off.
Okay, come on.
Rip it off.
Babe, come on, it's not gonna even hurt. It's not gonna hurt.
Go. You said go to 5.
Okay.
What is one place I always want to travel to?
Dubai.
Okay, easy. Come on, you get question.
Dubai.
Easy. I told you all these questions are easy. Come on.
All right. What is one food that I've always wanted to try? 1,
Crab. The
2,
remember what name?
3,
The crab thing.
4,
Shit, the 4 fingers. Then the
6.
seafood. Crab legs.
7.
Tsunami.
Salami. 8.
Italian food. Philadelphia food.
9.
Jamaican food.
No, man. Okay, I'm gonna give you one extra second.
Crab food.
Huh?
Crab food.
What kind of crab food?
It's seafood, remember what name? Damn. The one, the little finger, they put them twist up so and burn up so.
What's the name?
Damn, what's the name? I don't know, bro. I know what.
Yes, you do.
I know, but I can't think of the word. Fuck it, I don't know.
You got half of it.
I know, I can't
It's
think
king crab.
I couldn't think of that, see? I ain't freezing my cup.
Mm-hmm.
That was warm.
It's warm?
That's the same feeling as the first time.
Really? There you go. You got this. This light work right here. This one light work. Ready? Ready?
It's pinko. The only that pinko. Okay, come on, 10 seconds.
Alright, come on.
Spell my whole name backwards, including middle name also.
Shit. Okay, TTENNEB. NOTREVENGHAVAJ.
I'm already at 10 seconds, bro.
No, babe.
Come on, you messed up that looking at, bro.
Come on. What you finna wear?
Give me an armpit. Your armpit. Give me a bum with an armpit. We done play with you.
Babe.
Lift up your arm then. I'm done playing with you. Come on.
Yeah, look at all that. Oh, I thought that was the weight. I said, hold on, you can't.
Can you see that? Come on, I'm gonna stop the plane. I'm watch them this here. Move this on. Stop playing.
Okay.
Stop moving, hand. Come on, stop playing, bro.
I'm scared, babe. Don't put on, boy. Put it upwards, going up that way.
Okay, then. You don't think I drip?
What?
Come on.
I don't want it to drip. Ooh.
Come on, it's dripping. It's dripping. Stop, it's dripping.
Ow!
It's dripping.
Oh, let it drip, goddamn it.
Put more.
No!
I put more.
Babe!
I put more.
That shit hurt.
Oh, you know her thing, touch on it. Come on.
That hurt.
Crack, baby. Touch the food.
I'm a cracker, babe.
Come on. We'll go up first.
Ow! Babe, you don't care. You got a wife to go in this way.
Don't worry. You
Yeah.
got to go anywhere you want to go.
No, babe. You gotta. Ow! Don't do it like that.
Make sure it's sticking up my pressure. My they call it now. When they go get their back massage. Massage time. Move on.
No, wait. Count to 100.
100. Okay.
Count to 100.
I will.
Count to 100.
I will.
Right now.
Man, I don't press it on it. Bombard here.
Ah! Get it over with, goddammit. Ah!
Oh,
Oh!
oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, my arms.
Hurry up! Get it off me!
Ready?
Yes!
Oh shit!
Oh my gosh! Man, get it off!
I'm trying to.
Get it off! Man, this shit hurts! Look at my
It didn't work good. Man, it didn't work good, man. Hell no, bro.
Syvon, cause you put too much. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro, my arm gonna be sore. Stop hitting me like that, goddamn. This shit, babe, get this.
Move on, move on.
Ooh.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Yo, he playing with me. Ugh.
It hurt?
Yes, that hurt.
You wanna cry?
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ow. No, I'm taking.
Video is over.
Video is over. Video is over. Put this shit. No.
Still get some more deal. Still get some.
No, I'm done.
Don't forget the rest of that.
I'm done.
You wanna cry?
Oh my goodness.
I wanna cry. It hurt.
Yes, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Man, this shit hurt. Oh my gosh. Ooh, no, leave it alone. Fuck this shit. We done. That's it. No. Oh.
Alright guys, we're back, man. These guys see that last one was very very intense reaction. I ain't gonna lie. I think I put too much. That's why it kinda, yeah, come on.
I'm forever sticking to the nair. I'm never gonna
Guys,
get
you gotta
away.
put that hand down.
I can't put my
Yeah,
arm
take her to the
down.
emergency room real quick.
Oh my
Cause
gosh.
she was crying. Yeah, I said she was crying.
Look.
My poor baby. Come on, next question. Next, run
Oh
it up.
God.
Run it up. You know I'm actually back 1, 2, ready?
Huh?
Alright. Run it up.
Okay. What was my favorite childhood game to play?
Man, what the hell?
I told you before. I honestly did tell you.
Uno.
Hmm?
It's a board game.
Nope.
Barbie, it's a Barbie game. It's a shit. You asked me about it, then I had another game. It's Barbie something. That's right. That's partial, right? It's Barbie something. Barbie doll, Barbie. Damn. It's Barbie something. That's all I'm gonna say, man.
It's Bratz doll.
Bratz doll. Oh shit. What's my age when I first moved to America?
12.
Hell no.
2012. Wait, we're in 2020. It's 8 years ago. I don't know. 17, 16, 17, 16, 16.
Final answer?
Yes.
15. You was like literally off like that. You was off like
Really?
15.
Oh my God! 'Cause I know you came in
Just show them
2012.
my ears, but I'm busy. I'm gonna come next. Boom, wait, one more walk. Smack it up some people.
Man, give my leg. Give my leg.
Next armpit. Next
Nigga,
armpit.
you got me fucked up.
Next, man.
What?
Next armpit.
I will cut you. I will
Next.
taste
Alright.
your ass.
Let me see your box. Let me see your box.
No, I ain't got nothing on my back. Babe. Don't put too much doggone wax. I'm not playing with you. Look at him. Look at
It's
him.
hot. It's cold. That's why it's sticking like that. Wrong to do it up or down.
Go that way.
No, okay.
Bruh.
It's hot. It's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. Make sure you spread that. No, babe, don't go that way. My hair don't grow that way.
Oh shit.
Oh gosh, I'm done with this wax. I'm done with it. I'm over it. I'm so over it. Like on my mama, I'm over it.
Ready? I'm gonna do it now.
Yes. Ow! Ooh! Yes! Shit!
I don't think you guys can see.
That took my whole pulse with it. Look, my leg ain't even shiny no more.
Damn.
Dang. How many sports did I play in school? 3.
4. 4. Tree. 4. 4.
That's your final answer?
Yeah.
No.
Tree.
6.
Damn, 6.
6.
You was.
I was very athletic. Let me tell you which ones. And all of these I consider as a sport. Because they are. So, I played volleyball. I played softball. I played baseball. I did dance. I did track. And cheerleading.
Oh, yeah. Where you gonna work?
Bring me your leg.
Are you gonna do my leg too?
I'm gonna do right here. Yeah.
Ah, bro.
Dang, babe. This, oh my gosh. It's no more good.
That's sticky, bro. Ooh, that's sticky. Wait. Take time.
Take time.
Ooh, that's a
Bro,
lot.
this thing stings.
That's a lot of hair, baby.
This was a lot of
How
hair.
big is the ball of yours?
Ready?
Whoa.
Let me do it.
That's a lot of hair, my nigga.
Come on. Babe.
Woo.
Did you just poop?
Oh, shit. Go.
You keep anticipating it's gonna be painful.
Go.
1,
2,
2, 3. Damn. Ooh.
Damn, that's a patch. Can y'all see that patch right here?
Oh, that's smooth, baby.
That's smooth.
Y'all, look at his hair. It's so weird.
So this is, I'm gonna ask the last question, or you gonna ask the last question? What
You can ask the last one.
This is the last? Okay. Ah, dang, I ain't got nothing really good on. Okay, what? Dang, this probably gonna be easy. What is my dream car as of right now?
Sketch crash. Wait, cat sketch. What the hell? What is it called? It's a charger.
Damn!
It's a charger.
Yeah, it is. Damn!
I could. Oh, scat pack.
Yeah, it is.
That's what it's called. Scat pack. That's what it's called. I could not think of that name.
Sketch pack?
I don't know.
Damn, bro. I had to cry in this mug, man. Teen Syvon,
That's because he purposely did not rip this strip off right. And he purposely put too much wax.
You got wax. You got.
Shut up. Y'all look at my arm. Okay, anyways, guys, we about to end this video right here. I hope you all were very entertained. Very entertained. I'm stressed out, babe. Take it over.
That's what I said, man. I hope you got into this video, man. For make sure you got like, comment, subscribe, man. Please comment, man. I want to see more than 5 comment in the comment section, man. Comment, man. Let's go run it up, man. You got like, man. If you guys are new, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We're gonna end this video right here. Yeah. As I said, DM us any other videos I want to see next, and stay safe, man. Have a good day. Peace.
Peace.